Let's go, Becky. Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's time for a brand new roller coaster, the Zambezi Zinger here at Worlds of Fun in Kansas City, Missouri. We're having a great time, and this will be a first ride for us on this ride, so you'll get to join us for our very first time on this coaster. It doesn't happen often, but that'll be interesting. So it's got some nice theming here on the queue.
To Adventure Safari Tours and Zambezi Zinger. When the gates open, carefully step into your row. Make sure that all loose articles are secured or placed in the storage area near the exit. Handheld items, including cell phones, are not permitted. As a reminder, Adventure Safari Tours and Worlds of Fun are not responsible for lost or stolen items. Take your seat and pull down on the lap bar.
We're on the Zinger. Oh, wow. These restraints are terrible. The ride is great. Oh, it's like a crotch shot or something. All right, the Zambezi Zinger, brand new coaster 2023 here at Worlds of Fun. So what did you think of this this new hybrid coaster?
It's an interesting layout for sure. Different track design. Lots of speed on this one. My only complaint would be the restraints, the lap bar. I don't know, for me personally, it feels like it went tighter on me as the ride went on, but still a fun new coaster.
Okay, I agree 100%. The restraints are not great. It's really loud. This spiral lift hill is kind of interesting, but it's all electric motor driven, and you can really hear the wheels like clucking right along. So it's super loud as far as that part goes. It's got a lot of speed, and the twists and turns that are at the end are like incredibly good, you know? Really pushes you through the track. We had a nice view up front. We just had a single rider in front of us, nobody in front of me there. So it was like basically like sitting in the front. So really pushes you through the track. It's a nice ride. It's a nice addition. It's a really hard hitter if you go on this Zulu, the Enterprise ride. It's like back to back. Really gets you going. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you all very soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.